We are live, baby. One second, guys. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, if you guys are joining on Instagram right now, comment in the chat the word ebook, EBOOK. I have a surprise for you guys. Once again, if you are on Instagram, comment in the chat ebook, EBOOK, and I'll send you guys an ebook that I just made. We are on day, what is this, day one? Day one of the Forex Masterclass, and every single day I'm going to be going live on Instagram and YouTube, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to trade. So if you guys want to learn how to trade, but you're like, Cole, I don't want to give you money. I don't want to give anyone money. That's cool. I will teach you guys how to trade for 100% free. So the whole orientation of this call that we're going to go over, let's actually go so I can share my screen with you guys. Let's get started. Let's not waste any time. So, guys, if you guys do not know me, my name is Colt Mostef. I have been trading for the past 9 years. I've helped thousands of people successfully learn how to trade. I myself have made a lot of money from trading, and I am here to help you guys learn how to trade. So I started this thing called a Forex Masterclass, where every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I'll be going live on Instagram and YouTube, and I'll teach you guys day by day how to start trading. So day one is going to be very simple. It'll be very easy. Day two will get more advanced. And as the days go on, it'll just get more advanced. So here is the masterclass orientation. Number one, class starts every day, Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. PST, 8 p.m. EST. I know it says 8 p.m. PST, but it's 8 p.m. EST. Do not be late. The best thing that you guys can do is set a reminder on your phone. And then every time that I'm going live, you guys know that I'm going to go live. So secondly, be prepared. A pen and notebook is needed, guys. Do not be lazy. I understand that if you guys are going through things, it's just like school. When you are learning about a new subject and you want to know what something is, the best way to retain and comprehend information is to write it down. So you guys want to have a pen and notebook for sure every single day. So if you guys don't have one already, I would definitely get a pen and notebook really quick. Thirdly, join on a laptop. When you guys are on Instagram Live, and if you are on Instagram Live right now, comment the word ebook, EBOOK. If you're on Instagram, comment ebook, EBOOK. If you guys are on your phone on Instagram, the screen is really small and you can't tilt it and it will adjust its size to those parameters. So the best thing that you can do is log into Instagram or YouTube on your laptop, and then you'll be able to have a much better experience because the screen will be bigger. 4, get ready to learn and make money from trading Forex. So now, guys, let's get into this information. So I'm going to go over like the basics of Forex and what it is for you guys to really start understanding more about this. So what is Forex? Forex is short for foreign exchange. It is the buying and selling of different currencies like the euro, the US dollar, and the Great British Pound. So there's all these different currency pairs that we're going to go over in just a second. But basically, instead of you buying a stock, let's say you're buying Amazon. Amazon, the stock is going to go up and down in price. You can either buy the stock, hoping that it's going to go up, or you could sell it, hoping that it's going to go down. The same thing applies with currencies. When I go to another country, if I leave America right now and I go to Canada, I'm going to have to change my US dollars for the Canadian CAD. I have to get their currency, but the exchange rates are constantly going up and down, so they're fluctuating. So where do we trade Forex? The cool thing about trading Forex, guys, is it's traded all off your phone or your laptop. So you guys can trade on your laptop. I have my iPad right here. I'm on my laptop looking right now, but you guys, you can trade anywhere as long as you have a phone or laptop and an internet connection. That is the best part. So we actually use a platform called MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is where you guys are going to enter a trade. What you guys should be doing is taking these notes. What Forex is, where do you trade Forex, downloading the app MetaTrader 4 as soon as you get off this live. Then the next thing is, how do we trade Forex? So we actually trade through online exchanges called brokers. A broker you can use to trade is Awanda.com or Forex.com. Another note right there, I'm giving you guys all this information. If you guys go on YouTube and you just type in how to trade Forex, you're going to be going through a bunch of rabbit holes, going through this, and this. It's not in a curriculum, a specific order. That's why I'm doing this, to help you guys out. So if you guys want to learn everything in one day, comment on Instagram right now, ebook, EBOOK, and I will send you an ebook that I made that goes from A to Z on how to start trading Forex. And it's all written down so you can actually retain the information better. One, but two, you can go back over it and over again. Because with this live, guys, I'm going live once a day. And after the live ends, I'm not keeping it. So comment, if you're on Instagram, comment ebook, EBOOK. Next thing, how much can you trade with? A lot of people have this idea that you need $10,000, $20,000 to start trading. And that's true with a lot of other financial markets. But with Forex, you can trade with as little as $100. Obviously, if you guys want to make more money, you do want to have more money in your trading account, because flipping 100 to 200 to 400 to 800, it's just not realistic. And if you're looking at it like, oh, I'm going to put $100 in and flip it to $200 in a day, you have the wrong mindset. You guys need to come into this understanding, just like soccer, baseball, football, any industry that you guys go into, real estate, whatever it is, you are not going to make money immediately. And if you do, it is from pure luck. Your main focus going into this should be like, you know what? How much can I learn in the first month? How can I focus on the progress of me going from a complete beginner to having my first $1,000 day? You guys really need to focus on the process, because it is going to demand a lot of hard work if you guys want to see success in this industry. So how old do you have to be to open up a trading account? You have to be actually 18 years old. I, at the time, wasn't 18. I had my dad open an account for me when I was 17 and I started. But you might as well just wait till you're 18. When can you trade Forex? Another note right here. The Forex markets are open 24/5. They close every Friday at 2 p.m. PST, and then they open back up Sunday at 2 p.m. PST. So the market actually just opened up yesterday at 2 p.m. PST. Next note, there are a bunch of currency pairs, we call them, to trade. The best pairs to trade are Euro USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, GBP USD, USD Chef, NZD USD. These are all USD based pairs, so they are acquainted with the US dollar, like the euro and the US dollar. Euro USD is one of the most popular Forex pairs out there. Best sessions to trade, guys. These are notes that you guys need to be writing down. This stuff right here, these are gems. Comment the word ebook if you're on Instagram, EBOOK. Best sessions to trade, New York session. It occurs from 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. PST. London session, it's from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. PST. So if I were you guys, what I would kind of do is figure out, what's my day-to-day schedule like? When am I the least busy? When am I the most busy? If you guys work a job early in the morning, then you might be trading the London session. But if you work a job later at night, the New York session might be the time to trade for you. I personally trade the New York session because the New York session offers really, really good moves. That's when I see the biggest moves occurring. But the London session, it is just as good. There are a lot of moves that happen during the London session as well. Okay. Then we have the Forex basics. These are like types of trading. So realistically, I want you guys to figure out, like, what are your times that you're available to trade, but also what type of trading are you going to focus on? There's technical trading and fundamental trading. Technical trading is when we're looking at the trend, we're using support and resistance. Overall, we're looking at the charts. And here's another note for you guys. If you guys go to tradingview.com, this is where you guys can actually analyze the markets. Then there's fundamental trading. So I actually use technical trading most of the time where I'm looking at the charts and doing my analysis, but also I do fundamental trading where I'm figuring out what type of news is coming out. So if you guys go right here to forexfactory.com, this is where you're able to see the news. So you can see this. Let me refresh this for us. So the next news event that we have is Wednesday, April 10th at 8:30 a.m. It is core CPI M&M. So if we go right here to this folder, we can actually see the last time that we had this news event was March 12th. So if you guys are smart, you would go to March 12th on TradingView. And if you go to TradingView, let's go to like the 1 hour time frame. We could go to this date window right here, March 12th. When was the time that it came out? So the time that it came out was 8:30 a.m. So if we go right here, March 12th, here's the 12th. So right here is where that news came out. Let's go to a smaller time frame, like the 15-minute, March 12th. So we can see, look at right here. This is that news event that we are just looking at. So we could see it had a major effect. Look at how far it dropped down. And if we go to this ruler, we could actually measure it. So from where it dropped right here to the high, guys, it dropped 52 pips. Look at the size of these candles right here compared to this candle right here. So this right here, these two candles, they're most likely from that news event right there. So that's how you can kind of get data on what type of news came out before. And if you want, you could go to like February 13th as well. So we might as well go and look at February 13th. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of like going back in time and I'm getting data. So once again, look at, here's a massive bearish candle right here. The market shot down like crazy. So this is so crazy because if you guys look at this, let me look. So we have February 13th right here. Look at, that was a news event as well that came out. So this news event right here, core CPI, M/M, it had a major effect on GBP USD, and we could see this massive candle came out when that news came out. So that's where there's all these types of trading. There's technical trading, there's emotional trading, and then there's fundamental trading. So like I said, guys, we use forexfactory.com to find out the news. So after going through the short day one masterclass, these are the next steps that you guys can take. If you guys want to take a screenshot, go for it. That would be smart. First thing, download the mobile app MetaTrader 4 and open up a demo account. Secondly, you can either open up a demo account straight from the app, or you can open one with Awanda.com or Forex.com. Thirdly, have some fun and mess around with the app. You guys want to get acquainted with how the app works, and YouTube is going to be a great resource on how to use MetaTrader 4. And if you guys go to my YouTube, Colt Mostef, I have so many videos, guys. Like, these are just a couple of videos that I have right here. But if you guys just go on YouTube and you type in Colt Mostef, you guys can see I'm live right now. But I have all these videos that will help you guys out a lot. So, guys, that is day one of the masterclass. Tomorrow, I will be going live again. If you're on Instagram, guys, comment the word ebook below and I will send you an ebook. Just comment EBOOK. And tomorrow I'm going to be going live at 5 p.m. PST again. So guys, I will see you later. Hope that you guys all have a great night. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.